Today we're going to be making pork chili. Delicious to eat, absolutely appetizing. So let's get started. How to make my way of pork chili. In my pan or in my pot, I'm going to first add oil. To my oil, I'm going to next add sugar. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of sugar and caramelizing it. Once it starts caramelizing, I'm going to add my meat. Nice brown color. Can you see? To this now I'm going to add ginger and garlic. So I've added my ginger and garlic. Lovely smell. Next I'm going to add is green onions. Alright. Now let's begin with the seasoning. First I'm going to add light soy, about 2 teaspoons of light soy. Light soy. Around 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Next I'm going to add is chicken powder. Not too much, just to season it, because soy sauce and the oyster sauce already has salt in it. Okay. Stir this around. Next, what I'm going to add is a handful of Szechuan pepper. Two or 3 star anise. And I'm going to add my green chilies. I'm going to use a handful of soy, fermented soy, which looks like this. Next I'm going to add some water. And let it cook for half an hour. Okay, so see you in the next half an hour. It has been now 15 minutes since it's cooking. Next, what I'm going to do is add some potatoes. So I'm going to add my spuds so that it absorbs all the juices of the gravy and also thickens up the gravy with its natural starch. It's now been like about 30 minutes that the meat is cooking. The potatoes look cooked already and the water is almost dried up. Look, such a nice thick gravy as well. So finally what I'm going to do is, to finish it up, I'm going to add red onion and I'm going to use 1 capsicum and mix this well. Alright, so I'm going to nicely mix this now. And let this cook till the water is completely dried off. So here you go. My pork chili is now ready to eat. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like button and share the recipe with your friends and family. Also the bell icon so that you get further notification about the next recipe that I will be posting. I hope you will enjoy this at home and try this. Very delicious to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.